Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be traveling with an infant, just a short distance, an hour flight to Montreal, but I just wanted to test out a shorter flight first to see if the baby could handle it and if I could handle it. We did fly with Flair Airlines and the ticket was only $100, but it does not include any baggage, just a small personal bag, so I did pay additional for a carry-on because of the baby. So, traveling with an infant, I've taken over my bed. You can see how much of a mess it is, but I'm going to pack right now. With the airline that we're flying with, Flair, it's a budget airline, so they allow one personal item, and I purchased an extra carry-on baggage just because with the baby, I just wanted to make sure, I never want to be too sure. If it was just me by myself, I'd try and make it work with just a personal item, but with the baby, I had to. And they did allow for a diaper bag as well, but better to overpack for a baby than underpack. So, of course, without saying, there's diapers. I'm probably going to add more diapers to this. I got 2 packs of wipes in here and a mat for changing, a bunch of baby food. And he only likes to drink formula at night right before bed. So for 2 nights, 2 formulas, some cereal. I'm also going to pack some of the powder into a little container to bring. And there's some snacks in here and spoon. He doesn't like a pacifier, but for takeoff with the plane, pacifier. And for outfits, these are my outfits. That's the pajamas. There's a couple outfits here. And I got us matching outfits, so I can't wait to put that on from Pat. For his outfits, these are overalls. I have a long sleeper just in case it's chilly at night. And I have this cutie that his aunt bought him, Aunt Stacy. And something long sleeve again, just in case it rains and it's cold. This cute little jumper and a bunch of onesies because you can never have too many onesies. I also have baby headphones and this, we'll try it out. Hopefully we get a window seat. I didn't pay for it. And this is empty because no liquids, but this will have water. This water cup. And I packed a portable charging battery. So there's this and a charger, and I think that's everything. I also have my makeup bag. Oh, right. And toiletries got to fit in the bag. Got some soap, some lotion. Put this baby lotion in there. And we're also bringing a stroller and a car seat. I think that's everything. And if I'm forgetting anything, I'm just gonna have to buy it when we're there. Oh yes, socks. I also have 2 other pairs packed already, and some washcloths. I want to pack some more of those, and bib is packed already too. But this is the mess that will have to fit into a backpack, a duffel bag, and a diaper bag. And this is the spinner. I will put the link in the description. But we did not get a window seat, unfortunately. So mommy had to be creative and I clipped it to the table tray and it worked just fine. On our return flight, we did get a window seat and I tested it out. He loved it. It definitely kept him entertained and I highly recommend this. I will definitely be using it again because it really kept him entertained. And here is the outside of our lovely hotel, the Marriott Montreal Chateau Champlain. I hope I said that right. But it was gorgeous from the outside. I did not expect it to be a tower and that tall. And just to see the service at the front, to have the red carpet, it was just, I felt special. And this is the other side of the building where the ramp is. We obviously had to use the ramp because of the stroller, but just the welcome from the outside was amazing. And this is the front lobby. So this is a newly renovated hotel and it definitely looked that way. The water with the fresh watermelon was a nice touch and it just looked beautiful. The elevators are completely renovated. It was such a beautiful lobby. the view. All of Montreal. Let's go check out the washroom. Oh, there's like a little couch. This is so cute. Okay, okay. This is so nice. I was also told by the front desk that this hotel has the largest hotel gym in all of Canada, so of course I had to check it out. The water dispenser was pretty cool. I liked that. And I didn't venture in too far because there were people in there working out and I just didn't want to seem creepy recording, but it was huge and I especially like that they have the punching bag because it's something different. Now, my sister joined us on this trip, thank God, and she decided she wanted us to go to Ben and Florentine for breakfast. I had to get a mimosa, and the food was delicious. It was reasonably priced as well. I gave it a 9 out of 10. I was supposed to do a quick getaway to come here for my birthday back in March, but I had to cancel last minute, and Les Glaciers is where I was going to get my cake from, so I had to stop by and try out their cupcakes, and I decided to go with a caramel and their birthday cupcake, and it was a 10 out of 10. I went back for more even because it was so good. For dinner, we went to Poutineville because you can't come to Montreal and not try a poutine, and this place was so cool. They give you a little piece of paper with all these options of how you want your poutine, what kind of cheese, what kind of toppings you want, what kind of gravy. So I decided to go with a poutine with Philly cheesesteak on top, and the poutine was amazing. The Philly cheesesteak, not so much, could have used some seasoning, but the poutine itself was delicious. Now, because of the baby, I couldn't do anything in the late evening into the night. So the next day we had a later lunch and we went to this place called Hang Time Pizza. They were playing old episodes of The Simpsons, which I loved, and they had all the cool decorations around the place. We decided to get some wings and fries, some cheesy bread, and pizza with chicken. The wings had a little bit too much lemon on it. It was lemon pepper. The garlic bread was cheese with just garlic sprinkled on it, and the pizza could have used a lot more seasoning and salt. After lunch, we hit up the Barbie Expo, and I love it here. It just makes me feel like a little girl all over again. And if you've ever loved Barbie at any point in your life, you need to go here because it is Barbie dressed in every type of fashion, from every era and every color, from every major designer you can think of, every major event, every major sports team. It's Barbie, 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 Barbie. For dinner, we went to a place called DeVille. It's a diner, aesthetic, but it's very upscale. This was the mac and cheese and short rib, and it was so delicious. A little pricey, but delicious. And by this point, the baby had worn me out, and that's all I have for content. And here's a small clip of what it's like trying to record content when you have a baby. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.